So my name is Adams Amenya. I'm the head of sales East Africa for Sistema.Bio. Welcome to the Kisii ATC in a very auspicious occasion today, whereby Sistema.Bio is launching the Kisii Hub. So you're most welcome. With us today are farmers that have benefited from our technology. We have members of our team and you, the members of the press, and very many stakeholders in the regenerative agricultural space whom we are working with in this very noble occasion. So Sistema.Bio works with smallholder farmers. Our objective is to help farmers convert the waste that they have into energy. So basically, farmers who have cow dung, pig dung or poultry dung are able to convert that dung into energy in the form of gas and also generate biofertilizer that they can use to improve the soil health. Globally, we are in business for the last 12 years, but in Kenya, we've been in existence since 2017 in July. We have so far installed 13,000 biodigesters in Kenya, and almost all of them, if not all of them, are working, and they have helped farmers to improve their energy situation in the home. We have helped farmers to reduce on damage to the environment through reduction in cutting of trees, so no more firewood is used in the kitchen. Farmers are using gas, clean gas, so no more charcoal, and they're also able to generate or improve the crop production by using the biofertilizer that they generate. So we have no failure rate. Our technology works, and we've impacted so many lives all over the world. And all the 13,000 farmers in Kenya are happy, and they continue to spread the gospel to the other farmers in Kenya.
I'm David Ogega from Katc, particularly Ogembo Division and Kebero location. I'm a beneficiary of this program since last year, where the biogas was installed in my home, and since then we have benefited mainly from 2 or 3 things. Because now I cannot tell you, we don't buy gas. We used to buy gas. We don't buy gas. We used to buy topping. This fertilizer for topping. We don't buy. It's in print, and that's the main reason I'm very happy with the biogas. Since then it is working up to now. I could say it is cost effective because I used to give out 2,000 every month. Every month, at least minimum 2,000. But I don't now spend. I have the cows in my family. We get the raw materials in the family. The system is sold. The duty of my wife plus the children is to fill it every morning, the way we were doing up there. The main challenge is maybe care. If you don't care, it's going to be destroyed. The only challenge, but the rest of the system is working well. So long as you have the cow, at least minimum 2, you are comfortable. There is no another challenge.
I'm Michael Makori, the County Program Coordinator, Agricultural Sector Development Support Program 2. In the county, we are the program that pioneered to do this biogas from Sistema, whereby we are promoting green energy in the county, especially from livestock, where we don't want the green gases like methane to go into the air, the environment. Then we went to the internet and found that Biosistema, they are promoting biogas, especially which we will have used to support the farmers. And we supported eight groups, 8 farmers. One of them is the one who has just talked. And we supported fully with the system. And then the farmer provided the raw material and the animals and to use the gas on the farm. So far, the 8, nobody has reported any failure. It's success. They have cut down on the use of gas. These are the gas, liquefied petroleum gas. Now they are saving and they are making more money. And our objective is money in the bucket and food on the table. So we have cut the cost of the farmers as well as given them clean energy. And we will continue supporting more groups as our funding continues, as we get more funds from our partners. So we are very grateful for Sistema and our farmers who we have partnered with for promoting this noble project of biogas, which is a green energy, and that is where the country is heading to. Farms that we have supported, we supported the old system. So the farmer provides the raw material, which is the dung, and then we purchase the old system for them. For the start. Going forward, it is actually a cost shared because the labor and the rest are provided by the farm.
I'm proud to be associated with Sistema.Bio, being county focal person. We were instrumental in installing the plant that is just here. The Microenterprise Support Program Trust, through the Agri-Fee and GEA programs, envisions a clean environment, green technologies, uptake of green technologies amongst our farmers, and also the issues of gender. We are all aware that biogas not only provides energy that is renewable, that is cheap, but also mitigates for some of the gender extremities that there can be, where in many cases we might find kitchens which are smoky and detrimental to the health of mainly our sisters and mothers and wives. But this provides a solution which provides clean energy, renewable energy in an environment which is good, and also will allow fast cooking and reducing the costs of even producing food. So we are happy that Sistema is launching today full scale within the county, and we do hope and will support as the program green employment in agriculture to ensure that there are more decent jobs. People will use that technology to generate other jobs, entrepreneurship, and also that will reduce the pollution in the environment. So indeed, if we are able to harness even half of that, we'll indeed have gone far in terms of reducing pollution and reducing costs of production and even reducing household budgets.
I'm Elijah Obori, the CEC in charge of Agriculture, Fisheries and Cooperative Development, Kisii County. Today we are here because we have Sistema company which has been partnering with us in the side of assisting our farmers to have biogas. Now we are at the ATC today, and we have a group of farmers who number 300 who have come to participate in this exercise because we are launching Sistema in the Kisii County officially. Now Sistema is a company which has been assisting our farmers to come up with green energy, whereby they assist farmers in developing biogas which can be used in the farmer kitchens, and also the produce can be also used in the farmland as fertilizer. So we are glad that they have come to set up a base in Kisii, whereby it is going to act as a regional center. Now, in their organization, they are training farmers on how to use the biogas, and at the same time, they are going to assist them in giving them this biogas through affordable means by assisting them in supporting the construction, and also in giving them money so that they can be able to purchase the biogas. So in the ATC we have the demonstration already. They have put up the biogas system which is working, and which we as a county we are using as a means of training to the farmers. As a county, we are always open to any other investor who will come and partner with us in supporting renewable energy.